Work reading professor. I am the apprentice Juan Jose Erazo Solano. Course English Does Work Level 1. Evidence Presentation Video. My friend 1. Her name is Algal Gadot Barzano. 2. Age 40-year-old. 3. Birthday day 30 of April. 4. Parents Edith Gadot and Michael Gadot. His family 1. Spouse Yaron Barzano. 2. Children. She has 4 daughters, Alma, Maya, Daniel, and Ori. Gal Gadot was Missy Israel in 2004. Nationality. She was born in the city of Petah Tikva, Israel. She lives in Los Angeles. Occupation 1. Actress. 2. Film producer. 3. Mother. Free time activity 1. Volleyball. 2. Tennis. 3. Swimming. 4. Dance. 5. Surfing. Thank you for your time.